In this video, you'll learn how to set up the Calendly Stripe integration. By following these steps, you'll successfully connect your Stripe account to Calendly, allowing you to collect payments for your scheduled appointments. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Integrations and Apps on the left-hand side menu. Click on this option to access the integrations page. This section will display various apps that can be connected to your Calendly account. On the integrations page, find the option for Stripe. You may need to scroll down or use the search function to locate it quickly. Once you see Stripe, click on the Connect button next to it. This action will prompt you to log into your Stripe account to continue the integration process. Next, enter your Stripe account credentials to log in. After entering your details, look for the button labeled Authorize Connect. Clicking this button will allow Calendly to access your Stripe account, completing the connection between the two services. Once connected, you should receive a confirmation that Stripe is now linked to your account. Now that the integration is established, you need to enable payments for your events. Navigate to the scheduling section on the left-hand menu. Open the specific event you want to modify. Within the event settings, find and click on the Payments tab. Here, you will see an option labeled Collect Payments. Turn this option on to start accepting payments. After enabling payments, select Stripe as your payment provider. This will ensure that all transactions for this event are processed through your Stripe account. Once you have made these selections, it's important to set the appointment price, enter the desired price, choose the currency, and specify whether payment is required before booking. After filling in these details, click Save to apply your changes. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, it is essential to perform a test booking. Open your a new browser tab. Proceed to book a test meeting by selecting a time that works for you. During this process, you will be prompted to enter your details and complete the payment via Stripe. Once the payment is processed, you should receive a confirmation of your appointment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.